As to the first question, when do we order? We need to take a look at how our inventory level evolves. So this graph here represents that. We have a red line which represents the physical or the on-hand inventory. So in fact, we have some amount of computers that we are selling, so our physical inventory decreases over time. And we get to a point when we are about to run out of inventory or, or of on-hand inventory. So what we want is to have our computers delivered at some time so that we get back to having inventory to meet our demand and so on. So the ideal situation is to get those computers received at the very moment we were about to run out of computers, because that way we have the possibility of keeping our inventory at the minimal level and at the same time not having stockouts. So we want this line to go all the way down to zero and back to a certain amount of product and so on. And for us to have that, what we need to do is to place an order with the supplier at some point in time. So let's imagine we have here our inventory, we place an order, we receive it later on. That is the red line. The blue line represents our inventory level, which is the summation of our on-hand inventory and the on-order inventory. So for example, at this point here, we have some amount of computers and we place an order. So our inventory level goes all the way up to this physical inventory we have plus the amount we ordered. And it diminishes at the same pace that the physical inventory does. So that when we receive it, they start again to coincide, because we don't have any on-order inventory, and the on-hand inventory is exactly the same our inventory level till the moment we place another order where we have this extra on-order inventory which is added to the physical inventory, and this goes on and on as in these two cycles here. So the point is, when do we order? It's simple. If we have some amount of products here and we have this critical period, which is the lead time during which I want to make sure that I have enough products to meet our demand, that is 1 week. So if my demand is 1,000 computers per month, I want to have 250 computers so that when this 1 week finishes, I've had enough computers to sell to my customers. So what I have to do is to place an order when the level of inventory that I have allows me to meet the demand during the lead time. And that happens in this case as follows. We have a lead time of 0.25 months and a demand during lead time as a result of that time is 250 computers, which is of course 0.25 times 1,000 computers per month.